hair was fine and then I played with it and now it's not. Hey, it's Vicky and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm super excited to be back with you guys. I've been doing my finals all last week, so I haven't been able to film anything. So I've really missed you guys and filming videos. So I figured that my first video back would be about my makeup collection, because I've been wanting to show you guys what my makeup collection looks like for a while. I have my makeup in my desk right here and also in a storage unit beside my desk. I am going to be needing to expand a little bit sometime soon, but maybe not, because I am decluttering a lot of makeup today. I've been putting it off because I wanted to film a video on it first, or while I was doing it more like, so I wanted to show you guys that. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of my makeup collection. I'm not going to be really going in depth with a lot of things just because it's not really, I don't know, really the time for it, because a lot of this is just going to be getting rid of a lot of makeup to start over fresh for the new year 2020, the new decade. I'm so excited. So I'm ready to get rid of a lot of makeup and show you guys some stuff that I've really been loving, some stuff that I really don't like, not because it's bad per se, but because it doesn't suit my skin types, my skin needs, my makeup style or preferences, whatever it may be. So I'm ready to get into this video and I hope that you are too. But before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already or ever feel inclined to do so during this video. And make sure that you hit the notification bell down below so that you can stay notified to whenever I upload a new video. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this makeup declutter. So I'm filming this first part on my phone because I was using my DSLR, but the problem with her, my trusty baby, I actually don't have a name for her. So if you guys have any suggestions for names for my camera, because I like naming things, definitely let me know. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today we are talking about my makeup collection. So I keep my everyday makeup pretty much in these two containers. This is where I keep like the makeup. Here is palettes. I will show you that in just a minute. Up here we have lip products, nail polishes, which I need to move a lot of the nail polishes because I've actually outgrown the part that I have my nail polishes in. So I'm thinking I'm gonna move them into this container. That's why this is here. Up here we just have my makeup brushes, pens. I don't know how this turned into a desk tour, but it did. So here's what I see on a day-to-day basis. Yay. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about. So this one is lips and nail polishes and miscellaneous. And here I have eye products, and here I have my face products, and down here is where I keep my office supplies. So it definitely got relegated to a bigger section, less priority, because my makeup definitely does come first. Okay, so now let's start getting into the actual collection. Here is where I keep my everyday makeup. It's a little bit of a mess because I use it every day and stuff just gets chucked in here. But here is where I keep my face products and these two bigger ones. And then here is where I keep my everyday eye products, another pair of eyelashes apparently, makeup remover wipes, and my Mario Badescu facial spray. Here is where I keep all of my makeup palettes. This is a little bit deeper. Oh, and snacks. So don't pay attention to that. It's messy, like I said. So here is where I keep all of my makeup palettes, and there are definitely layers in here. So we will get to cleaning that. And here is where I keep, like I said, some miscellaneous setting sprays that are almost out, but not completely out. Lip balms and stuff like that that don't really have another spot. My nail polishes and nail products have kind of seeped in. Under here is where I used to keep like face paint, stuff like that. Here are my nail polishes, which again have started seeping out in here. And here I've got liquid lipsticks, more liquid lipsticks, lip toppers, lip glosses, and lip liners. And here is the eye drawer. Back here I have eyelashes. You can't really see. I built these. I built them myself because a lot of the organizers that people have online are very expensive. I will say it doesn't really hold up that well, so I kind of wish I just purchased it anyway, for being quite honest. But I also have more eyelashes in here, more eyelashes in here, adhesives and backup eye products in here, eyeliners and brow products, mascaras, liquid eyeshadows, more liquid eyeshadows and some primers, pigments, ColourPop eyeshadows, some more colorful eyeshadows. And here I have some glitters. And here I have some gold pigments. Here are like mini single palettes that I can't really store in the other palette kind of container. Glitters, an old MAC eyeshadow that I don't really want to get rid of because it was my first high-end product. Moving on to the face, we've got some setting sprays and other stuff back here that I don't necessarily like because I kind of delegated it to the back. Some powders and concealers, more powder, foundation, and the setting spray that I did not have any more room for, primers and concealers, highlights. I think all of these are highlights. These two are also highlights. This is also a highlight. Here's a bronzer, face powder, blush, primer, and I think that these are blushes. So now that I've downright exposed myself, let's get into organizing all of my mess. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm kind of like a little bit overwhelmed. So starting out, I don't think that I'm going to be decluttering anything that's in this drawer just because I use the stuff on a pretty regular basis. So I think what I'm going to be doing is just organizing it because as you can see, everything is kind of like mixed up. I've got highlights with blushes. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, it's not that bad. I do need to move some stuff. So on this other side, I've got my palettes, which is a little bit more messy. There are lots of layers of palettes in here, so I'm just going to get into them. So now that I've decided what's going to stay and what's gonna go, I'm just gonna put these back into where they came from. So moving right along, we're gonna get into this top drawer here. I'm going to just start out by taking all of the nail products and putting them in this container. So here is the damage of everything that I have decided to declutter. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super happy with myself. The fact that I was really honest about the products that I would use in the future and stuff that I really wouldn't use in the future. I'm keeping this stuff in here because I do, it probably sounds insane, but I have an entire inventory system devoted to my makeup. So I do need to check all of this stuff out of my inventory system before I give it away so that there aren't any inconsistencies with the valuation of my products and everything like that. Also, if you'd like to see a video on that, let me know because I kind of want to make one, but I don't know if anyone else would see that as interesting. I'm a huge data nerd, so that's something that I personally like. But yeah, I am really excited to get rid of this stuff that I never use and free up a lot of extra space for some new products. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and hitting that notification bell down below so that you can stay notified to whenever I upload a new video. But till the next time, stay kind, keep creating, take care of you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.